welcome to my channel. I'm sorry that the camera is going to be shaky today. It's like really breezy, so I guess the weather hates me today. But I'm still going to make this video because I have a party to go to and I need to find out if this True Match foundation is actually the shade for me. I tested it out at Target. They have a wide range to choose from and sample. But you know, the lighting in the store and everywhere else can be different in the sun. And in the sun, that's when you finally definitively find out if that's your shade or not, in my opinion. I like to try things out in the natural sunlight because that's how you know if you look crazy or not. So that's why I'm out here and that's why I'm doing the video today. I have other products out here to see if they're going to work well with the foundation. Just because the foundation works doesn't mean everything else will work out as well. Like some things you'll have to change based on that foundation color and tone. So I have the things I usually use right here beside of me. So right now I'm going to take my beauty blender sponge right here and I'm going to dip into this. This one is the True Match from L'Oreal foundation. Can you believe all the Wet n Wild foundation was sold out at Target and Walmart? What is up with that? So I had to find a whole new foundation and I was freaking out. I've been so stressed about it. Like, I don't want to look crazy for this party or anywhere else. So I have to find something. This one is the Neutral 3 right here, I believe, if that's a thing. And it's the Natural Buff in 3. So Natural Buff was the only one that seemed to work. Everything else was like too light. I looked like a ghost, pale dead. Or it was too dark and I was like super suntan and I don't even suntan. So I would look super crazy. This one doesn't have a bad smell. It smells just, you know, like makeup. It doesn't have any kind of nasty undertones like some other ones. And this one you have to be very careful. Oh my god, at Target when I was putting it on my hand, trying some of them out, I poured it all over my hand. It was so terrible. I was like, oh my god. So a little bit probably goes a long way. As you can see, hopefully, I don't know, need my handy dandy mirror here. And with the other one, the Photo Focus one, I didn't really need any concealers. Pretty much perfect with that one, so I don't want to have to buy some concealers and all kinds of other junk. I'm on a budget here, okay? So I'm not trying to buy a whole bunch of stuff. Usually concealer, I don't know. I'm not really good at applying concealer, so I'm like, So far, so good. This one seems to be okay. Like, it's actually covering some of the stupid acne marks I have, so that's a good thing. Very good plus when it's actually full coverage. Doesn't say full coverage on the product anywhere right here, but it is super blendable like it said, so they should put full coverage on the bottle because wow. And I'm not even using that much and already it's like perfect in my opinion. It's covering everything. I'm glad that the lighting in Target is actually pretty decent. So if you're actually in the market for a foundation, try to swatch it at Target. That's the best place, in my opinion, right now to try anything. They have good lighting. Who knew, right? I was worried that was going to be all splotchy. I only use a little bit, see? And it goes a long way. Like, what? This is really good. I'm impressed. And it was only $8.99 at Target. The cost might be a little bit more, but you get an experience. So, hey. That's always good. And it's working really well under the eye, if you can see. Like, it's matching really well. I don't know, I just want my foundation to do everything for me. If I'm paying good money for a foundation, it better actually do something. And this one seems to be working really well. And this one actually has like a lot of wide ranges to choose from in shades. So I think a lot of people can find their color. And I like a brand that has so many different colors to choose from, because it's hard to find shades for your skin tone if you're like, you know, a different shade. It's good that they have a wide range to choose from, because I feel like everyone should have a shade as their own. I'm really liking this a lot. I'm impressed. I am so impressed right now. That's amazing. I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera. I tried to lighten some of the sunburned pigmentation that I have right here, and it kind of made it lighter. Like, it didn't get rid of everything, but it did make it lighter, which is nice. I mean, lighter is better than nothing, right? So it did do something for my hyperpigmentation that I always have, so that's a good thing. I'll be using this foundation for that as well, so it's a really good product so far, but I want to try it with some other products that I usually use to see if that works as well. I'm taking the True Blend CoverGirl contouring palette. I'm using the shade medium. This one is really good, and I'm just dipping into the contour shade, this brown shade, and just contouring my nose as usual, starting from the eyebrows downward, and trying to make an even light colored line, like so. And then doing the same to the other side, being careful. Just because this is a new foundation, I don't know how it's going to play out, so I'm going light, kinda. And then around the nose right here. And I'm taking my angled brush right here, the highlight brush. I guess it can double as a contour brush, because that's what I use anyway, is this. Like, I don't have a lot of brushes, so I make what I have work. And blending out that line so that way it's not so harsh. And it's like light. Doing that all over the nose. And you can see that's feathered out over here. And we're doing the same to the other line over here as well.